What's that?
The National Weather Service in Wilmington has issued, for the following counties, a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Shelby, western Miami, dark, until 11:45 a.m. At 10:59 a.m., radar indicated a severe thunderstorm located near Union City, moving east at 25 miles an hour. Storm hazards include winds to 60 miles an hour, very heavy rain which may cause minor flooding. Locations impacted include Ansonia, Greenville, Arcanum, Versailles, Troy, Piqua, Covington. In addition, Sharps Crossing, Rose Hill, Green Lakes, New Weston, Ross Burroughs, Pikeville, Abbottville, and State Route 47 at U.S. Route 127 are near the path of this severe thunderstorm. This includes the following Interstate 75 between mile marker 70 and 89. Seek shelter in a sturdy building. Stay away from windows and doors until the storm has passed. To report severe weather, go to our website at weather.gov/ILN and submit your report via social media when you can do so safely. Now